share these quick tips to get them started. Your clients will access their portal just as they always have via direct emails and auto emails you send them through Matrix. When your clients receive the email, they'll click the URL that will open their client portal. Immediately upon opening the portal, your clients will see and feel the new experience. The mobile portal no longer exists. Instead, the new portal is responsive and gives users the same experience on any device. The default portal homepage is the map view, which will show properties pinned on the map and displayed to the right. Your clients will also be able to view properties in the list view and the gallery view. All of these displays have been simplified to a responsive design. To find out more about a specific listing, clicking on the address of any listing will display an array of property details. Now that your clients have grasped the new layout, they're ready to start their own search. To do so, click on the Start a New Search button from any of the displays. A pop-up window will appear for users to filter their search using any of the parameters that you see here. Once the search is executed, be sure to click Save this search. Any saved searches will appear under the My Searches menu to easily revisit after you finish your chores. The new portal also still allows for properties to easily be favorited and discarded. On any listing, click the heart icon to save it as a favorite, a possibility, or to discard it. Any tagged properties will appear under the Favorites menu to access at a later time. As you can see, the new portal's functionality hasn't changed all that much.